Hello there, so let's explore how to install CW app on iPhone. So here is the app. Just go to the App Store and tap on the Get button or Cloud button if you already downloaded it. So it's a free app, 35 megabyte size. And there you have it, you just tap open. It says it's free and it requires no password, no nothing, so just open the app and you can watch your favorite shows from this network. So there you have it, that is the app. You can contact support right here. And you can enjoy your shows from here. I don't know why it's loading. Probably it's only available in United States.